It doesn't look good, but it still tastes good. I messed this one up just a little bit, but we're doing a smoked ring bologna with a little bit of mustard binder and a St. Louis style barbecue rub. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to score the top. You definitely don't have to do this. I wanted to try it out, and this was really my downfall. I scored it a little too deep, so as you'll see later on in the video when I show you the final product, you'll see it split open quite a bit. It was still delicious. It still tastes good, but make sure you're being cautious if you're going to score it, that you don't score it too much. Otherwise, it might burst open on you. But really scoring it just allows the mustard binder that I'm going to be using as well as the rub to just penetrate a little bit deeper into it. Now this is already a pre-cooked bologna, so you don't have to really do this. This is just adding a little extra flavor to it. A smoked bologna ring is still really good regardless, but I just wanted to try something different today and see how it would taste. So once I got it all scored up, then I'm just using a simple mustard binder. Yellow mustard. Again, you don't have to do this, or you could try something else. You know, try a different type of mustard, try some olive oil, but you just want to make sure you lather it on there. And this is primarily to help with the sticking of the rub that we're going to put on here. Make sure you get all sides. That way the rub you sprinkle on is going to stick. And once you're ready, go ahead, put on your favorite rub. I'm putting some of our downrange savory barbecue rub on there. It's like a St. Louis style. So make sure you get a nice coat on there. Don't skimp on the rub. Again, this is completely optional. You don't have to do this. You can certainly just put the ring of bologna on the smoker and smoke it that way. You'd still get really great flavor. But I just wanted to try something different. Make sure you get some mustard on the bottom side too. It certainly tastes great once you smoke it a little bit. Now, because this is already pre-cooked, you really don't have to do much. You just got to heat it back up. And I just wanted to add a little flavor to it, so that's why I'm going to be putting some rub on there as well as putting a little bit of smoke on the grill just to give it a little extra flavor. So while that sits for a while, I'm going to go ahead and get the grill ready using my 22-inch Weber kettle. I'm going to be using a 2-zone fire today. So all my coals onto one side. So I'll have a cool zone and I'll have a zone that's hot. And because I'm going to be doing the indirect grilling for this the ring of bologna, I want a cool side. That's where I'm going to put it for indirect grilling. I'm using some hickory wood chips today as well, just for that flavor profile. Using some Kingford briquettes. I'm going to be going low and slow on this one, so once my grill gets to about 250, that's when we're going to put the ring of bologna on there. There's some hickory wood chips. This cook won't take a long time. It'll be a pretty quick one because, like I said, you're really just heating up that ring there. You're not trying to cook it all the way through because it's already cooked. So just at this point, we're just adding some extra flavor as we heat it back up. And it was a nice day, so I just wanted to get outside and try something different here. But here you can see I scored it a little bit too deep, and it started to bust open on the top there. Still looks great, tastes great. just doesn't look as good as it could, right? So here's the shot here. We're slicing in. Still super moist. It's a bologna, so it's going to be very hard to dry out. What I really liked about this one was the rub added a little extra flavor, as well as it added to like the crispiness of the skin. So by putting the mustard binder on there, and the rub had just a tad bit of sugar on there, so it allowed it to caramelize just a bit. Nice crispy skin on the outside, nice moist inside, and overall good cook. Thanks for watching.